Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I ain't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo 7392, and I'm back with one of the things that go right here. Y'all see I got that scale thing on the game, you know. It's Nike, so I keep wearing it. I paid $40 for this bitch, so I'm gonna keep putting it on. Especially when it matches the drip, you know what I'm saying? I got no red band things on, you probably see it now though. But yeah, man, today is gonna be one of them things. Y'all already know. I love when the sun out because the guns come out. You know, let me turn this radio down, man. You know what I'm saying? So today I got a banger. I'm finna go meet up. First, I'm finna link up with my brother. He bought him a project car, so he put some tint on it because he was fishbowling in that thing. Nobody wants to be fishbowl. Y'all know I'm semi-fishbowling here. You can see, but you can't see. So y'all probably get that vlog soon where I go get the car tinted up a little bit darker because I'm going stealthy, man. I gotta get a little bit more stealthy, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're on our way over there to meet up with Broski. He getting his tent put on. Like I said, it's his project car, so he ain't really trying to do too much to it. But nobody want to be fishbowl, like I said. So yeah, man, I hope y'all having a beautiful day, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. Hey, if you're an old subscriber, new subscriber, whatever you is, if you just passing through, man, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you coming through and doing this for me, watching me. I'm hoping I'm entertaining y'all the best.
Are you not entertained?
I'm trying to bring y'all them bangles that go right here. You know what I'm saying? So we on our way, man. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get there. Hopefully we catch some action on that highway, man. I've been looking for some runs. Well, not right now. I can't do it right now. I need 2 tires. And I gotta get an oil change because I ain't got an oil change since I got back from Texas. Y'all know we did want to go to Texas, but we ain't never do one when we got back from Texas. And we kind of ran that bit, so I'm gonna have to get that soon. So soon enough, I'll be back at Jeep Chrysler Dodge West Side. Fuck with my guy Reek, fuck with my guy Jeremiah, seeing what they got on that thing. Y'all already know that, so. Yeah, man, I'm on my way though, man. Y'all having a good one? Again, subscribe. Yes, man, we going to all 2021. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna care. I come to the car wash a lot. I be want to see some little babies out there, bitch. There don't be no babies out there, bitch. None, bro. I be like, damn, this shit be dry. Be a bunch of old punani.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Oh man, let me chill. But yeah, y'all know that reverse thing. Oh, get back over there. Turn. Yeah, we go. Straighten it up. And oh, we go to the left a little bit. There we go. Right in there. I like this first spot, bro. It seems like this bit get the best vacuum and everything, so I come. But yeah, man, this your boy Pablo, man. I'm here at the car wash, about to dry this thing off, wipe this thing down, shine up these rims, shine up them tires. I'm sliding through the city. If you in my city and you really with it, let me know. See, I'm talking shit and I know I ain't got no tires, but if we rolling and we already at like 40, 50, who's to say like I ain't gonna just grab and go? You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna hold y'all though, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. We get out and check this thing out though, let's see. Oh man, gotta grab the keys. Y'all see that thing say Savage, right? Shout out to my bro Marley Mitch, man. He got me this. So he's saying it here like, boy, I knew you had to have it, so I bought it for you. So little key holder, lanyard thing, I appreciate that. Savage carrying, y'all already know. Let me get out this thing. Turn that camera like that right there. So y'all see what we glowing like. We got that mic jack glow. I ain't got nobody here to hold it while I wipe that bit down, but it's what we got right here, man. Y'all see we shining out this thing. Yes, sir. Got a little bit of glow, got a little bit of gloss on that thing, you know what I'm saying? Then you know when you hit that tire shine on that beast, it's gonna turn up another level. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. It is a Dodge Charger 392 Daytona Edition. I ain't got the Daytona package, I got the Daytona Edition. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy at Real. Nah, I'm talking about, I always say his name wrong. Real_SRT. You know what I'm saying? He gave me the rundown on these deals with these cats and these Daytonas and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And he was like, my year is the last year they really made the Daytona Edition. It's crazy how words can be played with, but it's like your year is the last year they made the Daytona Edition. Now you got the SCatpack with the Daytona package, you know what I'm saying? Which is all, in my mind, it's all the same, but you know, you got little facts like that, you can't help but to appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? So he dropped that on me and I'm like, well shit, I might have to keep this one. Even when it's time to upgrade to a Hellcat or something, or a Trackhawk, or it's either a Hellcat wide body, a Trackhawk. Them really my only options right now. I ain't looking at that. I was like, shit, I'm gonna get them some B-roll. I wanna get y'all some quality B-roll. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm always in like the artsy areas and stuff when I'm doing like videos with the gang and shit. I mean, with the gang. So today, I brought y'all to this wall right here. Y'all see that thing? That is a beautiful set of paintings. And as you can see, I got the Daytona in front of that thing. Yes, sir. I just ate, so I was trying to get my teeth clean again. But I'm gonna take me some pictures out here, man, you know what I'm saying? Get a couple of Instagrams. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go to my Instagram, Pablo Savage, Pablo_Savage 392. That's my Instagram. You already know if you're watching this video, you already on my YouTube. So yeah, but I take a couple quick not videos, but pictures of these beasts out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm stumbling over words, man. I got the itis a little bit. I ate that food fast and now I got the itis. So yeah, but I'm finna go ahead and get this done. I like that draft though. Make Daytona look good. And I like that right there at the end with the helmet. And the one with the cut. That's all of them clean though. I know it took a lot of work to do this. A lot of time too. I'm gonna do something in front of that one. Alright, gang. Like I say, come to the Instagram, check it out. You'll see this heat. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Y'all see the broski got this thing, man, washing that thing up. He two-car shot it right there. Y'all see that boy got two of them things. You know what I'm saying? Little white down, you know what I'm saying? Little white down for the ride. What's happening, player? You Pablo! Y'all see the game, man. We out here with that thing. That bitch look good with it. What the fuck is that? Bro, you see me, bro? I said I got a picture of that shit, bro. It wasn't like that when I pulled off, dog, but the whole bottom was like that. Y'all see that, man? Y'all see that Savage game? Tent man fucked up. Put a bubble in that bit. Yeah, he gonna have to peel that all the way off. Hey. Look at the I think that be like that because it's that's on that. It's on the back of that one too. Really? Yeah. So I think that part right there be like that all the time. You see these lines right here, it like it be having little air pockets in it. If you look at the back of your tent, you'll see it. Some people could press it up in there, but it's usually kind of hard. Let me see. But yeah, man, my dog out here. 5, 20, 35. Huh? 5 in the back. This 5. All this 5. This 5. 5. 20, 35. Let me see that thing from the front side. Oh yeah, you sliding. You see me, bro? You sliding good. What's up, brother? You all right? That boy in there. You can't see nothing.
I want to look at night though, man.
Oh, it's finna be dark as It's finna be dark. Oh yeah, I gotta get that though, y'all. I got to. I ain't going to him though.
Bro, I wish I didn't. I can't.
Bro, you was like,
I should do that.
YouTube, we made it here, man. Listen, so the goal today is to try to get at least 10 new subs. I need 10 for the channel. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go up. So I'm here. I'm gonna talk to a few people, see what they say, and hopefully they'll be like, yeah, sub. And then I'm gonna try to convince them to go watch at least one video, full length. So we're gonna see. That's the challenge for today. And y'all see that thing? Twin in there, bit. Got that SRT thing on that though. Brother, that's your car. You just what his name is?
For trail. Oh, do it for trail.
Okay. 392 thing. That bit pressing next to that Mustang thing. Y'all see that thing? And it's a green joint over there. Y'all can't see it, but it's right there. You know what I'm saying? So we out there bit trying to see it. Y'all see that? Oh wait, I ain't got the date on mine. Michael Kors, clean. Ooh, that red pressure.
Oh, that real.
Yeah, that's my. Uh-oh. I might have found my next one. I might have found my next one. You know what I'm saying? But
That's how you drive the car, you gotta put that bitch on.
oh, and they be checking out some of these smell good. Cause y'all know somebody broke in my car and stole my joint. You know what I'm saying? And I really don't appreciate that. Whoever you was, sir or madam, thieving bitch. That's the one. Hello. That's what they stole from me. Yeah.
The big one?
The big bottle. That one. It's back there. But oh, I'm sorry, man. I heard a lot about that Gucci guilty. What it was like softer colognes. I like stronger joints because they last a little bit longer.
Hell yeah.
They
That's how
definitely.
the Burberry cologne is I got, bro. That bitch is strong as fuck.
What that one smell like, Ray? Don't hurt him.
Sauce, baby.
Sauce up.
Let's go.
Boy, that boy smell good, boy. Ooh.
It's called Jacksonville right there, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Always
Like I said, they stole mine, so I had to come get a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm walking around. I smell good. Look good. Feel good.
smell good. Ooh. DR.
Y'all ain't know that's what I'm about. Hey. Okay, we need this drip over here, baby. Yeah. This me right here.
Look hard. What you call those?
They light though.
Spider-Man?
You say
Spider-Man.
It's cold-blooded. Y'all see that? I feel like the purple a lot more.
What about them red thing?
I got them.
You got them?
I'm wearing them.
Oh, shit.
Shout out Whammy. WAAMMYY.
Shot design, ZHIYUN.
Say it louder, bro, cause he gonna put you on that bitch.
I just said it.
Oh, for real? Make sure y'all speak close, cause he gonna put you
David
on.
Turn. Remember the face, remember the name, man. King Lion.
Hey.
777.greg.
That's love.
One more time, bro. I ain't even hear you when you just said it.
777.greg. Follow
Got y'all, bro. Appreciate y'all.
Alright, shout out Pablo Savage 392. And y'all can find me at LacedUpJoe, LACED.JO on Instagram.
You got one, bro?
You got me, bro? You wanna go? Go on here, bro. Go on here and do it, bro. You right now. You might as well do it. Listen, they be on that bit now.
Hey, good doing.
He look like he do music or something. You rap?
No, him.
Oh, okay.
You got
Just tell
Instagram?
him.
Yeah, Instagram.
You can do it how he did it. You just shout out to Instagram.
Yeah, it's recording.
Dolo.Lonnie. DOLO.LONIE.
I tried that on purpose. I can't wait to get the push button on your ass, bro.
One day you Ooh, it's got some humbleness for it. Hey, that bitch look good in them shadows. Come this way.
Don't hurt him.
Hey, shit, you know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, man. What I'm about to do, I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops. All you new folks, man, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for y'all, man. We just gonna keep going to all 2021. If I ask you for a sub, it's probably means something to me. Might not mean a lot to you, but it means a lot to me, man. Everybody else that's on the channel, keep running that thing up, because we Corvette around there bit all day, you know what I'm saying? And that's the beast, man, y'all know what I'm saying? And what I'm gonna say, man, appreciate my brother Maul, Weezy, Wolf, man, Maul. I did make sure y'all follow him on Instagram, hit that bell notification for him too. Go check out his YouTube, because he running it up a little bit. He running it up a little bit. You gonna see a couple things on that thing. We out of here, bitch.